Hi, are you ready to take your product development skills to the next level? Looking for a toolkit that can help you unlock your creativity this upcoming Black Friday and Cyber Monday? Well, look no further. In this video, we will show you the top-notch toolkit that can help you begin your product development journey. Welcome to the Lightning Lisa channel. In this channel, I showcase various topics from my Global Engineer travel series where I travel the world and explore different engineering topics, as well as my projects where I tinker with microcontrollers and 3D printers. There are several tools that mechanical engineers utilize to design with, such as 3D printers, to make solid or plastic parts for their designs, which are then tested as prototypes, and then also sometimes fabricated as replacement parts for equipment or part holders. 3D printing enhances prototype development by saving time, improving designs, reducing iterations, and optimizing inventory. Engineers have several software tools that are utilized to perform various calculations, analysis, simulations, and optimizations on your computer. Software tools are helpful for engineering as they help you enhance your design performance, efficiency, and/or innovation. Some of the most common software tools for mechanical engineering are Python, Excel, Simulink, just to name a few. You should always use software tools with appropriate inputs, outputs, and assumptions to ensure correctness and relevance. Now is your chance to download this toolkit by clicking the link in the description box found below. This toolkit is for beginners that want to get started in the product development world. There are 4 tools presented to you in the toolkit. One of the featured tools is a caliper. A caliper is a common but highly valuable tool for a mechanical engineer. Similar to a drafting compass, it is used to measure a product's dimensions, including internal parts and components, with a high degree of accuracy. It is far more accurate than a ruler. Calipers provide all the dimensions for a part or product so that it can be recreated with precision. Many engineers prefer a digital vernier caliper, which are highly accurate with a tolerance of about 0.01 millimeter. The toolkit is an awesome way to begin exploration of design. After downloading the toolkit, sign up to be waitlisted for the next challenge to continue this journey now that you have your initial tools. The American Society of Mechanical Engineers and other similar organizations have a list of the top 10 tools that every mechanical engineer should know about. To recap, this is the best-selling toolkit for product development on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, with the go-to choice for creators, engineers looking to unleash their creativity and produce the best products. It comes with cutting-edge features and the top tips from the experts that can help you take your skills to the next level. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get the best-selling toolkit today and unlock your creative potential. Share this video with your friends and let them know about the amazing toolkit that can help them achieve success. And write it in the comments below which tool you like best in the toolkit. Thank you for watching.